Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another exciting video. Today we'll be talking about the best online casinos in India 2025. So I've chosen over 11 of these sites which will play a crucial role when it comes to this industry of online casinos. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Also don't forget to check out these sites, as the links of these sites will be available in the description box as well as in the pinned comment section. And if you want tips and tricks for these, don't forget to join the Telegram group. Links will be in the description box. So without any further ado, let's start the video. So the first site I've chosen is OneWin. OneWin has lots of things to offer to its clientele. OneWin is one of the oldest as well as one of the most reputed sites in the industry currently, and OneWin offers lots of games and options in sports segment, whether it is cricket, football, basketball and various other sports. Also keep an eye out for lots of options to choose from in casino like blackjack, under bar, teen patti, etc., as well as some live tournaments are also there that you can apply on. OneWin also offers its clientele lots of cashback offers as well as great bonuses for first time users on the app. Easy withdrawals and deposits are there in OneWin. OneWin offers lots of mediums in deposit and withdrawals like UPI, bank transfer and EFT on all major banks like Axis Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank, HDFC, ICICI, IDFC and SBI Bank, etc. All the major banks are accepted in OneWin. Also the OneWin ticket solution service is quite pretty good, so there's no problem in that as well. Now second site we'll be talking about is Rajbet. Rajbet is one of the best for sports, as it offer lots of variety and insane variety of sports when it comes to cricket, football, volleyball, baseball, badminton and tennis as well. There are lots of racing games which include horse riding as well as dog racing as well. Easy withdrawals and deposits are there like UPI, bank transfer and EFT. You can also choose from debit cards and credit cards on all major banks. Rajbet also offers lots of bonuses and cashbacks for first time users. Also on weekends it offers lots of bonuses as well, so keep an eye out for that as well. Third site we'll be talking about is Parimatch. Now Parimatch, I use this personally as UI is very neat and crisp and clean. Only takes fractions of seconds to launch up or ignite up the app on your PC or on your laptops, or also their apps are available on iOS and Android smartphones as well. Parimatch support system is very neat and clean and also very fast compared to the other sites in the industry. They provide ticket solutions within a couple of hours, which is pretty great for their clientele as well. Many sports options and e-tournaments are here as well. Easy withdrawals and deposits are also offered on Parimatch as well, whether it's from UPI, bank transfer or cryptocurrencies. So another site we'll be talking about is 9wins. 9wins is one of my favorite sites because it offers lots of options when it comes to the online gaming platform, also on e-tournaments as well. In the gaming segment you will find some games that are actually only exclusive on the 9wins app. One of their most demanding games are the jet ski and jetpack rider, also one of my favorite games as well. Then you get lots of options in the aviator section. There are lots of aviator options to choose from and to play from. Now the deposit and withdrawals are pretty easy to make via UPI, bank transfer and EFT. All the major bank credit cards and debit cards are all acceptable. Also cryptocurrency options are also available on the site. Also you get the apps for iOS and the Android users as well. 9wins also offer lots of bonuses and offers to grab from for first time user. Also on the weekends you get lots of cashback offers on to it as well. Don't forget to check out the 9wins site as well. Now we'll be talking about 4Rabbit. 4Rabbit is the oldest and the most premium sites in the industry, also very reputed, so your payments and the client's money is also very secure in their site algorithms. Lots of sports and tournaments to choose from. Now 4Rabbit push out lots on sports but not on casinos, so that is going to be a con for them. But yes, when it comes to cricket and other sports like basketball, volleyball, baseball, table tennis and badminton, they are pretty great at it because they offer a lot of options like games and other tournaments in sports segment. Now 4Rabbit ticket solution is pretty damn solid, I mean dead actually, because they take up to 16 to 22 hours to clear up a single mistake or to give up a single solution to their their clients, which gets pretty hectic and causes lots of problems to the clients as well. Easy withdrawals and deposits are there via UPI bank transfer, or you can also use your debit and credit cards from all major banks in India. Now Lobet has a very neat and appealing and eye-candy UI, which makes it pretty interesting choice in this betting industry. Also offers a lot of variety when it comes to games and casino slots. Also there are lots of live tournaments when it comes to casino and blackjack options. Great option and bonuses in sports category, and also for the first time users. Easy and fast withdrawals are also available on this site via cryptocurrency or various other options like WhatsApp Pay. Now there's another app which is pretty new in this industry, that is Battery app. Battery app has a red and white theme to it, which gives it a pretty elegant and business type of vibe to the website. Also the site is pretty fast and responsive. Again, it is very new to the industry, so a lot of people don't know about it, but believe me, one of the best sites till date, as it has limited options when it comes to sports as well as casino, so everything is balanced in the Battery app. Also the ticket solution is pretty quick and great for their clientele, and they offer a lot of bonuses and other offers to their clients, so they become their returning clients or a lifetime or a loyal client to them. Now the other sites include Rajabet. Rajabet is a pretty new app which gives it a royal look to it. The UI is a royal look itself, comes with a golden and red tints to the website. Yeah, it's a pretty slow website for now, but yes, it has lots of options to offer to their clients, like sports. Like in sports, there are lots of races as well as e-tournaments are also there in cricket, as well as the virtual games like CSGO and Valorant. Rajbet also offers lots of casino options, and live tournaments are also available in Hindi language, so Indian people can easily understand what's going on and what's not going on. You can make your deposit and withdrawals via UPI bank transfer and NEFTs. There's no crypto option or WhatsApp Pay option, but yes, there are lots of options to choose from, like from debit cards and from credit cards as well. Now the other side we'll be talking about is Banzai. Banzai is once again a pretty new website to this industry, but they are making their name pretty drastically because they offer lots of offers and bonuses to their clients, so that they become one of their loyal clients or returning clients as well. Banzai offer lots of options when it comes to withdrawals and deposits, like UPI bank transfer, NEFTs, cryptocurrencies, debit card and credit cards also, along with WhatsApp Pay is also there in the Banzai app. They also offer their app on iOS or Apple systems, also on Android users. Another site is 10crick. By the name itself, it shows that they are pushing to the cricket audience in India, so lots of sports are going to be there, mainly cricket. Cricket tournaments are also there, like IPL, Big Bash League and other leagues are also available on this site. The local matches that are going in India as well as the other foreign countries or abroad countries, you can bet on that as well in 10crick app. There are lots of bonuses and offers that are provided by the 10crick app. Now the last app that I'll be talking about is Krundi app. Krundi app has one of the best things to offer to their clientele, that is for 2000 bucks or for 2000 rupees you get 50 plus free spins in some of the slots of casinos, or you are going to get free spins for Aviator as well. Aviator is one of the biggest games currently in the betting sites or on the casino online apps, so keep a look at it as well. Krundi app also offers the same medium when it comes to the deposit and withdrawals, like UPI bank transfer, NEFTs, cryptocurrency. They don't offer WhatsApp Pay for now, but they do offer their own methods of payment as well. So these were my choices for the best online casinos in India currently. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Also do press the bell icon, so whenever a video gets uploaded you get updated by it. Don't forget to join the Telegram group, links will be in the description box. And also, as I'm going to end the video, do check out the links for all the stated sites that I just stated in the video. So we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, keep betting.